Next up, Air Supremacy for White Lotus. Control 3 SAM sites simultaneously. As you can see over here, we've already captured this SAM site. They're the big rocket icons on the map. Essentially, you run up to it after clearing the enemies in the area. Hit F or just interact with the computer on the one side and stand nearby it until you've captured it. It usually takes a few seconds, but it's really easy to do. So after I activate it, all we need to do is defend the area. You'll see a helicopter comes in, bringing some reinforcements, but other than that, it's really simple. All that we need to do now is travel to 3 in quick succession. That way, we can control 3 of them at once. I just happen to be running around as a solo and run into a squad that's doing the exact same mission as me, which is really lucky, but it makes life a lot easier for me. As you can see, somebody's already capturing the next closest site. We're running towards an already captured SAM site. And there we go, just like that, we now have 3 SAM sites controlled, all in one go, and the mission is now complete. It's easy to do, just make sure you have a fast vehicle, and it's really one of the quicker missions. As long as you stay on the SAM side while you're capturing it, time passes really quickly. Anyways, thank you all for watching. My name's been taken over here for Troubleshoot. That has been Air Supremacy for White Lotus. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.